Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing question 28. Here in this question, they say Shamshad Ali buys a scooter for rupees this much amount. What is it? 22,000. He initially pays rupees 4,000 cash and he agrees to pay the balance in annual installments of rupees 10,000 per year plus 10% interest on the unpaid amount. Correct. So in the first year he'll pay 100 plus some interest, and in the second year he is not 100,000. In the second year, at the end of second year, he would pay rupees 1,010 plus percent interest on it, and he'll keep on doing this until he covers whole of the amount. So how much will the scooter cost him finally? This we have to calculate. So the initial, this is very similar to the previous question that we have done, right? Just the amount in this case is changed. So here the initial cost is 22,000 rupees. He initially paid 4,000 rupees. So the remaining amount in this case is 18,000 rupees. So the interest would be on this unpaid amount 18,000. So he pays rupees 1,000 every year, and he will pay the total amount in of 18,000. So you see, if he pays 1,000 rupees per year, so in how many years would he complete this 18,000 rupees? In 18 years. That is quite obvious. So therefore, in the first installment, he pays rupees 1,000 plus 10% of the remaining amount, which is this one, 18,000. Correct. So when we compute this, it come out to be 2,800 rupees. Similarly, on the second installment, he again pay rupees 1,000 and then give 10% of the remaining. Now, from the principal amount of 18,000, he has already paid rupees 1,000. So he'll be left with 17,000. So this is the unpaid amount in the second year. So he'll be calculating 10% on this 17,000. So it comes out to be 2,700. Correct. Similarly, for the third installment, he have to pay rupees 1,000 because he'll be paying this much amount every year, and then he'll be paying 10% of the 16,000, which is 2,600 rupees. So therefore, in this case, we have this much as the total amount paid after the end of third year. So we have to calculate in the total amount which is paid by him in 18 years. So it is obtained by adding all these terms. Now I have written dash dash dash. I am not calculating all the 18 values. Why? Because I can use AP. We have a handy tool here, and we can make use of this arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. So here you can see, because the difference between each of the terms is constant, it is minus 100. So therefore we can make use of AP formulas in order to calculate this sum. So here the first term is 2,800 rupees, D is minus 100 rupees, and N is 18. So therefore in this case, what is S18? S18 comes out to be the sum. You know the formula for Sn, it is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 times of d. The value of n is 18, right? Value of a is 2,800 and the value of n is 18. The value of d is minus 100. You can solve and simplify this. It comes out to be equal to 35,100. So therefore, what is the total amount paid for the scooter? It is the initial payment plus 1,000 per year plus 10% of the interest on the unpaid amount. Correct. So therefore, we have already calculated, what is the initial payment paid by him? It was this much, which is 4,000 rupees, and so we can substitute it here, and this 1,000 per year plus 10% of the interest we have calculated here, right? Because it is the sum of this AP, correct? Sum of all the amount which he has paid, 1,000 plus 10% of the interest. So therefore in this case the amount is 35,100. So you can add it up and you can see that it is rupees 39,100. So you see, here's a huge loss for him. Even though he has broken down the cost for 18 years, right? So still the product which initially cost rupees 22,000 for him, now he has to pay 39,100 for this. which is too much, correct, according to me. So you can decide for yourself whether in future when you are going for shopping or something, whether you wanted to give the total amount right away, or if you have it, or you wanted to break it down into various installments so that it could be distributed in the future years. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.